Chi manca?
Voi tre.
Yeah. Nice. All right, so what do we have? We've got this kitchen island in the front here, which you'll know. And then we've got a cooking stove induction here at the back. We've got a pizza oven here on the left. Another table. I think actually I shouldn't show you too much. I shouldn't show you too much. It'll be more fun if you get to know the design later on. I did show you with the bathroom though. Now I'll show you later. So we'll start working and then, you know, as we progress, I think I'll share the model. That'll be better. So by the time I'll finish this, we'll start recording, doing all the work. So I guess for you, it's time to start working in the kitchen. Let's go. All right, time to move down in the castle to the cold cellars. Honestly, it's not that cold actually, because I've got some heating going, which is quite convenient. Look at that. Nice and warm. Good stuff. Yeah. So I told you before that this door is locked. This one goes to the bedroom. So I found this piece of iron in the basement, and you know, this is how things go. You find something, solve something, well, try to solve. Anyways, I thought this might make a really good makeshift key, so I just took a little piece off for this one so it fits in. So try to open this door, I guess. I don't know. I think I did something. Yeah! Fuck yeah. Nice. Quick little test here with the wall paint that I used, obviously, on the walls. I'm gonna test and try if it works on these doors as well, like completely sand it down and just rough sanding over the paint that is there. I do not have confidence that this, especially this on the old paint, will stay, but I've got to try nonetheless, because the other paint is just so crazy expensive, and if this works, then it works. I mean, it's probably more expensive for a reason, but might as well test it. Who knows? All right, back down to the kitchen. Okay. Still after all this time. makes no difference then. We'd have to remove this one later. Okay, I guess that's 2. Yeah. We've got these radiators right in here, and there are some pipes in the walls, but they're sort of cemented up and painted over. So that is what you can see here. Somewhere there are pipes for these radiators. I don't know where they are. And just to make sure that we don't drill into them and potentially get water all in these walls, I'm gonna drain the water out of this heating system. I think that's the smartest thing to do. And then we'll replace these heating elements with electric ones. And I know electric heating is a bit, a lot of people use gas and wood here. But I think with all the battery technologies, solar panels and that, I think it's good to sort of invest now in electric heating, and I guess it'll pay itself off.
Che tool?